everybody, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making a pineapple lip scrub, and the first step you want to do is make sure you sanitize your area. You definitely want to make sure you do that. That is a major step in this process. The next step you want to do is lay down some paper towels or anything to cover the table, because things can get messy and you want to prevent a mess as much as you can. So a few items you're going to need is a paper bowl or a plastic bowl, a flat spatula. I got both of those from Dollar Tree. You're going to need some lip scrub containers. I got those from Amazon. And then you're also going to need pigment powder, coconut oil, flavoring oil, and sugar. So since I only planned on filling up 5 containers for this video, I used 1/4 cup of sugar and then 1/8 cup of sugar. Next, I'm going to add some coconut oil because this is the major part of sugar scrub. This is what moisturizes the lips and helps the dry skin. So I was starting to have some trouble using a little measuring thing, as you can see. So I just added oil with my own measurements, and don't be afraid to use a lot, but not too much. But having a moisturized sugar is the key, so you really want to make sure that you add enough oil so that it really does the job. Now I'm going to add some pigment powder that I got from AliExpress. I wanted to use the bright neon yellow and the orange to make more of a pineapple color. So that's why I was using both pigments. And everything that I use in this video, I'm going to link in the description below. Now I'm going to add this delicious smelling pineapple flavor that I got from Amazon. This is L'Oreal oils, I believe. And yes, they have lots of flavors on Amazon, and this smells so good. You're also going to need some cotton swabs to clean the perimeter of your lip scrub containers, and then I'm going to start filling the containers with the lip scrub as well. And here is the beautiful finished product. Be sure to shop at sexylexyinc.com, and I hope you enjoyed this video.